Why in the world do I not make this more? So when I think about cooking my own meals, I use the ENF ratio, which is the effort, nutrition, and flavor. So let me give you an example. Today we're making the tandoori chicken wrap. It's a 2 on effort, 8 on nutrition, and 9 on flavor. It's an easy yes for me. So what does getting over your ex and cooking a flavorful dish have in common? You let time do the work. When it comes to maximizing flavor in a dish, there's almost always an element of marinating your dish over a long period of time, or letting it simmer slowly on the stove or in the oven. And that's because flavors take time to develop. And the result is almost always a more delicious, more depthful product that you honestly didn't spend much time making. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and lay your baby's skin side up. So while that's baking away, we're gonna make a sauce. So again, it's not gonna be traditional, but it's gonna be hella tasty. I think I want to add in a bit of sugar just to balance everything out. Already the smell is so good. You're going to want to wait a couple of minutes before slicing into them because you're going to burn your face off. It's assembly time. Remember not to be greedy. You can add in whatever you want. You can add in like slaw or salad. This is where it's at. The chicken is so tender, spicy, flavorful, and the sauce just cools everything down. It's so balanced. This is super tasty, super healthy, and it's super easy to make.